Thank you very much for the wonderful introduction, Ratan. So this is going to be a very interactive show with me and the audience. I'll be sharing my skills. I'll also show you how you can increase your memory. To begin with, can anybody give me a 2-digit number? Anyone? Yeah.
10.
That's too small. A bigger one?
99.
89. Okay. And any other number?
15.
15. If you multiply 89 and 15, the answer is 1335. You can check it on the calculator. You have a calculator, mobile phone, you can check it there.
Yeah.
Okay, is it correct?
Wait. Mom, don't do it. Oh, great.
Yeah, you have to use this pen.
Yes.
Okay. Now give me any other number which I can square for you. Any 2-digit number?
My favorite 2-digit number is 25.
25 is too small. A bigger one? 25 I'll be teaching you in some time.
75.
75 into 75 is 5625. Is it right?
Yes.
Say yes loudly.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So basically these are some multiplication things. I use Vedic maths. I can multiply faster. Let's do something where the calculator is not needed, where you are needed. Give me your date of birth. I'll tell you which day you were born on. You can put it on the chat box. You can see it, whatever. I'll answer you.
My date of birth, 10 September
10 September, which year?
2011.
2011. 1 second. Saturday. You were born on a Saturday. Barabar hai? Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. Who else? Is it the question? 16th October 2009? 16th October 2009. Okay. 1 minute. Friday. Who else? 13th Jan 64. Yeah. 1 minute. Tuesday. Then 16th August 2006. Wednesday. Okay. 22nd Jan 1963. Tuesday. Okay. So if you have more such date of births to ask, you can ask me. Now, I have a question. How many of you feel your memory is good? Raise your one hand or say yes. Okay. How many of you feel your memory is bad? आपको कुछ भी याद नहीं रहता? Raise both your hands. There is no gun here. Now, okay. Now, the first thing is that memory is not good. Memory is not bad. It's either trained or it is untrained. Before I answer that, somebody else has asked the date of birth. So I'll reply to that as well. Friday, 26 September 69. So, memory is not good, not bad. It's either trained or untrained. To train your memory, you need 3 things. We need IOC. Can you see the IOC? Is it visible? IOC. So, what is I? I stands for anyone. See in the chat box, or you can see on the this thing on Zoom.
Or if you can actually unmute yourself and change the setting.
Yeah, I think it's better to unmute. Let them speak.
Intelligence.
Intelligence is very close, but it's not the right answer. What else is that?
Intuition. Intuition.
Very closer. Almost right, but not yet right. So what is I? Ratan, Mr. Khanna has joined us. Almost right. Mr. Khanna has joined us.
Let me check.
No, the person full of imagination.
Sorry?
Intuition.
No, I was giving you a hint. The answer is imagination. There's no kanna here. The answer is imagination. So, what is O? O stands for, any idea?
Observation.
Absolutely right. And what is C? I've trained lots and lots of children, people of all ages. All of them complain, my son, my daughter doesn't have C. What is C?
Category.
Concentration.
Concentration. So these three things, imagination, observation, concentration, are needed to have a trained memory. Before we go into that, let's do a practical example. Let us see the 5 Great Lakes of America. It's H-O-M-E-S, Homes. H stands for Huron. What does H stand for? Huron. Repeat with me.
Huron, Ontario,
Yes.
Michigan,
Erie, Superior. Who said that?
Yasmin.
Very good. You know this. Good. But now I would like you to learn this in an action way. Huron, raise your hand and say Huron. Everyone, loudly in one voice.
Huron.
Okay? O stands for Ontario. Ontario is down. O. Go down. Ontario.
Ontario.
Okay?
Ontario.
Yes. H for Huron. O for Ontario. M stands for Michigan. As if me. Me, she, gun. There is a me, there is a girl, there is a gun. Me, she, gun. What is M?
Michigan.
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 Okay, now again repeat from first with the action.
Homes, Ontario,
Huron,
Michigan.
Ontario, Michigan. E for I, E for Erie. Touch your eye and say Erie. And the last one is superior. 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 You're attacking somebody. Superior. Like that. Okay. Now try to say all these things on your own. बताइए. Yeah. Say.
Say. Say.
Yeah. पहले से Huron. No, loudly. I can hear you.
Huron.
Uh-huh.
Then
Ontario.
Ontario.
Michigan.
Michigan.
Erie. And Superior. So these were the 5 Great Lakes of America. I could have learned them without the action series, but the action series makes it more possible to remember well. Now, what was I?
Ontario, Michigan, Erie, Superior.
Yes. What was I? I stands for what? I said IOC, the 3 laws of memory. What was I?
Imagination.
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 Yes, imagination. Imagination is the creativity of a individual. How imaginative, how creative you are. That is imagination. We have the well-known story of the apple tree and Newton. He was sitting, the apple fell down and he got the theory of gravity. That was imagination. Only he had that creative insight. What was O? Observation. Okay, let me test your observation. I have this person here, Ratan Poswala. What's your first name?
Ratan.
Ratan. Spell it.
ITAN.
Sorry?
ITAN.
No? What's your surname?
IT.
IT. I said spell it. It is IT. That's observation. Now, what is this in Roman written in front of you? This. 9. Can you make this a 6? Is it possible to make it a 6?
I do.
Huh? How?
Flip the paper around.
Then it becomes 11.
Cut it in half.
Yeah?
Front.
By putting a S, it became a 6. That is observation. And for concentration, we won't speak right now. In the end, we will do a small exercise which will show us how concentration can be developed. Now, coming back to our favorite topic on maths, I asked you not to say the number with 5 because I was going to teach you. What is 5 5s are?
25.
25? Do you know 15 into 15? Either say or put in the chat box. What is 15 into 15?
25.
Say again.
225.
Okay, and what is very well known? 25 into 25.
625.
Now, till here, everybody knows. Beyond that, we do not know so well. If I want to do '85 into 85, how do I do this? I will do 5 5s are 25. After 8, what comes after 8? 9. 8 into 9 is 72, and this is my answer, 7225. That's why when you were asking me the square, I said you don't say with 5, that's easier, let's do something else. So now one more such example. '75 into 75. You tell me what the answer is.
5 5s are 25.
Okay.
7 8s are 56.
Okay, that's absolutely right. Now, little bigger. If I want to do 125 into 125, how do I do this?
5 5s are 25.
Now, what do you multiply?
144.
What do you multiply?
Then 12s are 144.
Yeah, ma'am.
12 13s are.
12 13s are. So, it's 144 plus 12. That is 156. And the answer is 15625. You know, there was a reason for saying this because everybody knows 12 12s are is 144, and everybody also knows by and large that 13 13s are is 169. But how many of you have observed that the reverse of 12 is 21 and 21 square is 441, and 13 13s are 169, 13 का उल्टा is 31, 31 square is 961. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया था? Had you observed it at any time? This is the power of maths. This is how you become good. As Ratan introduced me when I was in 9th, I was failing in maths. I was not knowing the tables of 3 or 4, but then I started adding bus numbers, car numbers. I became very observant, and then one thing led to the other. You all have a pen and paper. Don't use the calculator. Try to answer first. 27 into 27. Do the normal way. Let's see who gives me the correct answer. Or do it mentally if you can. 27 into 27. Do it either mentally or do it on paper.
729.
Absolutely right. 729. But I would not do it the normal multiplication way. I would do it in this way. 27 is here. Ulta of 27 is 72. 7 plus 2 is 9. This is my answer. How did you? Got it? This is how easy numbers can be. So, before we go further into a very important thing in maths, let me again ask you, what were those 5 Great Lakes of America? I forgot. Just help me one more time. With the name, ma'am. If you're muted, you can say in the chat box.
See. Huron.
Okay.
Ontario. Michigan,
Okay. Irian.
Superior.
Very good. Give yourself a big hand. Very good. Good. So that's, I appreciate enthusiasm, ma'am. So that shows that at any age you can increase your memory. Memory is not dependent on age at all. Yes, as you grow older, you definitely become absent-minded. You are bulakkat swabhav. You keep the thing in the house and you search the whole house. That does happen, and that has to be overcome. But you do not lose your memory. Now, coming back to our favorite topic on numbers, give me a 3-digit number. Any big, difficult number.
785.
785.
Divide by 1,500.
Now, I'm going to tell you the table of 785. Use the calculators. I'm going to beat the calculator. 785 1 780 by 2 are 1570, 3 are 2355, 4 are 3140, 5 are 3925, 6 are 4710, 5 are 5495, then 8s are 6280, 9s are 7155, and 10s are 7850. Did you check it? I told you I'll be beating the calculator. So, it was not possible for me to mug up this table. I did it with memory, with some calculation way. So now I would like to share with you how we can